What's up, everybody? It's Nikki, and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you for it. So guys, on today's video I am bringing you a quick unboxing of a standing desk that I have had in my Amazon cart forever. I finally went ahead and bit the bullet and purchased it for Christmas. My husband and I received a gift card from one of the lovely people at his job. He took half, I took half, and with my half I bought a desk. So it's really not that expensive. I think I paid like $47 with tax for it. I put the actual price down here. So it wasn't very expensive desk. I'm hoping the metal on it is pretty durable and all of that, but I really just need it for like a quick if I need to pop a desk up in my room, or once we get the office situated and things of that sort. If I need to pop a desk over in the corner, I can do that. So I purchased this desk again from Amazon. It's called a Comhoma desk. I'll put the name of it right here as well, but it is just a small, I took the measurements, all of that, just a small standing desk that I can also take if I can get my walking pad that I also bought from Amazon. I've got a video on that, fixed, all of that good stuff. Then I can, it's long enough to kind of fit over that, and I can have the desk set up and be on my walking pad. So anyway, without further ado, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start the unboxing, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Stay tuned. All right, guys, as I normally do, I'm going to show you guys the box, all sides of the box, so you guys can see all of the information that is on the box. So give me just a moment to do that. Here's a montage. All right, you guys, so there was the montage. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open so we can see what the contents are together. So anyway, like I was saying, with this desk, you guys, it is just something I have wanted for a while. I think it'll be very useful in what I am trying to use it for. I hope that it does not take a lot to put the desk together. That is what my hope is, because I really do need to use it tomorrow, and I hope that it doesn't take me all night to put it together. So as I'm unpacking it, the company did put a lot of items in here to make sure that it was packaged well. We've got the foam on either side of the actual pieces of the desk. So it's like one of the legs of the desk right here, you guys. Hold on one moment. Let me rip it out the plastic because it's brand new. I know that's kind of cheesy. No comments on that. Anyway, but this is one of the legs right here. It's like another part of the leg. Let's see, you guys. Yeah. Right here. Okay. And as Okay, the instructions are coming out as well as I pull out these parts. We've got a box here, which I'm sure is full of hardware. Okay, and it also has numbers on these as well, which I just noticed on this one. So this has a 3 on it. This one has a 4 on it, right here. And this one has a 3 as well, right here. And the first one that I took out, let's see if I see a number. I do not see a number on this one. Let's see if it'll have one on the one, its counterparts. And this is its counterpart, you guys. Let's see if there's a number on it. Oh yeah, it's on the bottom. There's a number on this one. It's number 2, right here. Okay, and then it looks like, now this is pretty heavy. This is number 1. I can see that already without taking it out. And this, of course, is the disc right here. Let me take it out of the plastic so you guys can see it's fully uncovered. Seems like it's pretty sturdy wood. I'm sure it's not pure wood, but it seems pretty sturdy. And then this is the side of it right here. And it says, warning, when rotating, secure all items on the desktop to prevent them from falling off, because this desk does tilt up too, guys, and it does shut, like you can close it in, slide it into a corner, get it out of your way, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to purchase it, because when I'm not using it, I want to just be able to kind of fold it and put it away. It also says tighten the H star head screws fully when lowering the desk to prevent the desktop from dropping quickly. And then another tip, step on one side with your foot to adjust the height and prevent the casters from moving. So but I do like the weight of this desk, guys. I really like the weight of it. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. And it's not that many parts that come to it, which I'm excited about. So that means that it will not take me long to put this thing together. And looks like that's all in the box. Let me just tilt it over to make sure, other than the other foam that's at the bottom. That's it, guys. That's all. All right, so give me just a moment. I'm gonna clean up my mess over here, and then we'll see what else is in the smaller box that came. Again, I'm sure it's the hardware. Give me just one moment. All right, guys, so I am back, and this is the box that came with everything. It looks like it does have all of the hardware pieces in it. I'm gonna lay these hardware pieces out, as well as the other larger pieces that came with the desk, so you guys can see everything that came with it. And we also have the assembly instructions here. It says read the full manual. So I am going to read the full manual before I start putting things together. So hopefully it'll make it easier and quicker for me to put it together, and I won't mess up. So I'm gonna take a few moments to do that. I'm not gonna read it on camera. I know you guys probably don't wanna watch me sit here and read. You've got two that are brake casters like this with this on there, and then you've got two that are just casters like these. So you want to make sure that you're putting them on the right spot. So in the book here, it tells you and shows you where they should go. So make sure that you're putting them in the right spot. Okay? And this, guys, is the wrench that you use to tighten these up. Guys, y'all got me from another angle. This is D and G, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the desk as well. So this, guys, lets you know, this right here lets you know, depending on where you install these, will be how high the desk can go. So I want it to be able to go really high, so I'm gonna install it up at the highest level right here. I am installing this at the highest level that it will go. Go on these guys, like so. You can loosen it like this. Just make sure like you're loosening these. Like so. Just make sure these are facing the same way. Adjustment bars are facing in the same direction. And these are level like this. And then these slide the height lower. You just move this about. And you do the same with these on the other side. And these connecting rods, so it keeps this from moving when it's in there. It won't come out. See? So then you do that to the other side. Then you take the you take the assembly, you flip it upside down, and then you take the screws and attach the desk to them. So what I'm gonna do for this part is move the desk down a bit, not as high as I have it, and then assemble it like it says here. Two little nodules back there need to be in the back, and then the 3 designated spots here to help the whatever you have on there not slide when you tilt it need to be in the front. So but not least, you guys, is putting in this piece here. So this piece of course goes on top of the desk, and then the screws go in at the bottom. Alrighty, you guys, so the desk has been assembled. I'm sure I have shown you guys a montage of the desk at this point. It does have about 5 different heights that you can go through, you know, if you want to just sit it low for regular working, or raised up high if you want to stand for working or walking on your treadmill, or your, you know, whatever you want to do. It's very adjustable. That's the reason why I bought it. So I think I'm going to be very, very pleased with it. Just make sure you're reading the instructions. Just make sure you're taking your time to go through all of the things to make sure that the desk is assembled properly. There are a lot of tips and things of that sort throughout the book, like this one, for instance. But just make sure that you guys are following those tips and doing what you're supposed to do with it so you don't get injured. It didn't take very, very long to do it. However, I did take my time to make sure that things were placed where they were supposed to be, because that is very, very important. So if, like, the wheel that locks, you see on the picture that on the other side of it, up top on the desk, the knob that holds the desk together is supposed to be facing away from it. Pay attention to things like that before you screw things really tight and just solidify the desk being assembled in different parts of it. It makes a difference. So that's what I made sure that I did, was take my time, look, make sure everything was positioned properly and everything like that. I think that I am going to enjoy the desk. It is from Comhoma. I did purchase it off of the Amazon for about $47, so I think it's worth my money and all of that. So very, very pleased with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything like that, please leave those comments down below. I really appreciate it. Tell me what you like best about the assembly of the video, what you learned while I was assembling it, if you learned anything. But just leave your comments down below. I appreciate you guys so much. Take care of yourself, guys, and each other, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.